Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to add Deepseek to cursor. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up the official Deepseek website right here at deepseek.com if you've not already, and after opening it up, you'll be greeted by this main page right here where we can get started by clicking the Start Now button. So guys, to be able to integrate Deepseek into Cursor, you're going to need an account. So if you do not already have an account, just click the Start Now button. That's going to enable you to register for a new account. And if you have one, you can just go ahead and log in using the same method, clicking Start Now, and it's going to open up this chat right here where you can take a look at how you can get started using Deepseek using your account. So now guys, we can get started with adding it to Cursor. So what we're going to do is follow this option right here. As you can see on GitHub, we have a tutorial on how to integrate Deepseek into Cursor, and it's very simple. Basically, guys, what you're going to do is open up Cursor settings, and you want to disable all models. So go ahead and open up Cursor settings. We're going to go ahead and disable all the models you're using. It's going to look like this, and after that, you can add the Deepseek coder as a new model. So by clicking Add New Model, guys, we can go ahead and get started using a Deepseek coder, and then you can go ahead and add your API key. So guys, to find your API key here in the main page of Deepseek in the upper right corner, you can click API platform. After clicking API platform, it's going to open up this platform right here. You can go ahead and log in with your account that you have created, and now in this dashboard right here that's going to appear at the left side of the screen, you're going to go ahead and have your API keys. So click API keys, and after selecting API keys, it's going to enable you to go ahead and create a new API key. So go ahead and create a key that you want to use, and once you have created your API key, you'll be able to implement it right here into Cursor using the model section, and now you will be able to start using Deepseek in Cursor, and it's easy as that. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So yes, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.